Hey babes, welcome back to another video. In today's video I will be showing you guys how I use these products, the Creme of Nature Pure Honey products, and my daughter's hair for her birthday. And yeah, so I started off with the shampoo and conditioner. Like I said before in the last video, these products smell amazing and they worked wonders in her hair. It left her hair smelling amazing. It was super soft. I used those two products and the detangler, which I forgot to actually put in the video. Like, I used it in her hair, but I forgot to record myself using it. Anyway, I used a shampoo and conditioner. It left her hair smelling fresh, looking fresh. Her scalp looked clean and healthy. The conditioner made it really easy to detangle. Because I detangle while I wash. I don't know if other people do it that way, but I feel like it's easier. Then when she got after I finished washing her hair, I added the detangler, which I didn't picture, and then I used the Nia's Valley oil and spritz. I just oil her scalp, like droplets everywhere, massage it in, and then use the comb to detangle. I have a detangler brush, the one that like pulls apart. However, I could not find it. Turns out that it was in the car. The whole time I was looking everywhere for it because I knew I wanted to record the video today, but I couldn't find it, so I used the comb. I was super gentle, of course, because I know that's not the best product to use for that type of situation. So tangle her hair, put it in 4 sections, detangle, and of course, like, my baby had to eat, so I had to stop and feed her. Then I started on her hair. As far as her hairstyle, it took me so long to figure out what type of hairstyle I wanted to do for her. I don't know why. Most of the video that I did record is just me putting in braids, taking out braids, putting in like different styles, taking it out. And then, of course, finally I figured out what I want to do, which I feel like I didn't record. If I did, of course I will add it. But of course, that's what we have here today. So yeah, that's gonna be my video. I know it's sloppy, but I'm working on it. I need to figure out how to set up a situation for when I want to do their hair, because I have 3 girls, and a lot of women, black women, don't know how to braid, don't know how to do their kids' hair. So why not like show them what I can do? I am not a professional by far. I do what I can though, and I make them look good. So I guess that can be one of the little things that I'd add to my channel, is doing my daughter's hair. And yeah, I'm trying to see what else I want to add. I had some other things. I had a video before this, but I was looking kind of crazy. I'm still looking crazy, but I was looking kind of crazy. I was like, I can't put that out. So yeah, I like my little mic. I got it from Stella. Hey girl, hey. But yeah, so I think that's my video for right now. You guys will definitely be seeing more from me about this collection. I really love these products so far. Like, they smell amazing. I can't get over the smell. But I use a little bit on my hair just to like do a lock, just one little lock, just to see how it'll react to my hair. It did really good. I ain't gonna tell y'all lock video coming soon, but lock video coming soon, hopefully. But yes, so y'all enjoy this video, and I'll see y'all next video. that's my video. Make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe. When I am ready to take down Neri's hair, you'll see more of a variety of which products that I use, because her hair is the type of hair for these products as far as like naturally curly and stuff. So yes, stay tuned for more videos on this collection.